Thank you for tuning to this week's news covering the topic of synapses of chromosomes.
Synapsis is the pairing of normally two homologous chromosomes during meiosis, where potential crossovers can take place. Chromosomal aberrations may exist during synapsis, which can either lead to non-viable gametes or viable gametes that ultimately lead to speciation. In individual 1's chromosomes shown here, it can be seen that one of the chromosomes in the pair has a pericentric inversion, meaning the order of a series of the genes in the sequence has been inverted, and the inversion includes the centromere. Therefore, for all of the genes to be able to line up during prophase 1 of meiosis, an inversion loop needs to form.
So we have our four strands over here. The first chromatid comes from the first strand over here, which is MIJ centromere KLHG. Second strand would be this one, which is MIJ centromere, and then crossover happens between J and K, goes to the second homolog KLM. Third strand is over here. We have MLK centromere JIHG, and the fourth strand would be right over here, which we have GHLK, and then crossover happens again. We have the centromere JIHG.
When crossing over takes place, four different chromatids are formed, two of which are viable and two are not viable. In individual 2's chromosomes shown here, both of the original chromosomes are identical, and therefore when the chromatids are formed, whether they cross over or not, all of the chromatids are identical, all of which are viable.
We have four sister chromatids that are made as well, but all of them are the same. The first one comes from the first strand here, MIJ centromere KLHG. The second one comes from the crossover, so it's MIJ centromere crossover KLHG. So the third strand is the same as well. It starts from the second homolog. It goes like MIJ centromere crossover KLHG. You can see, and the fourth one is the fourth strand over here, which is MIJ centromere KLHG.
Since individual 1 has only two viable chromatids out of four chromatids produced, while individual 2 has four viable chromatids, the ability of individual 2 to survive and reproduce is better than individual 1, meaning individual 2 has a better fitness.